What's up, guys?
And we're going to unboxing video on
The new audio pipe APMN-2000 So stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? I'm Nick, the Ringo 2.0 audio pipe Durango. Of course, everybody knows my little right-hand man, Mr. Braxton Dickerson, the audio pipe kid. We're here today because we got something brand new to open up for y'all. This is actually going in the Ringo 2.0, but of course, you know, we have audio pipe kid here doing unboxing video for you. This is the brand new 2019 APMN-2000 monoblock amp from Audio Pipe. This took the place of the APMI series, and I can tell you just by looking at the box, there's some major differences even on the outside. But from my understanding, it's got some better MOSFETs, better electronics inside. So we're going to open it up for you and show you what's inside. And eventually we'll get it installed, hopefully this afternoon, and we'll get a video at the end of this of actually playing on the 415s in the Ringo. So we're going to see what she does. So check this out. All right, everybody, we're here with the Audio Pipe Kids. Say hello, Braxton.
hello.
All right, what do we? What?
Basshead people.
Every basshead people. All right, so here we are with the amp that's going into the Ringo 2.0. We have the brand new APMN-2000. Say that, 5 times fast. It's 2,000 watt monoblock. Of course, you got specifications here on the side. Let me make sure I can get that. There we go. 0.2% THD. Wow. Just from the box, it's roughly about the same size as the original APMI series that replaced the APMN replaced. But I've noticed there is some kind of new venting going on here, some different sides. I mean, the top looks pretty much the same, but the side looks a little bit different. But we're going to break it open and check out the inside. So, Braxton, if you want to do the honors of go ahead and opening this brand new 2019 audio pipe amp. Go, all right. Open this bad boy up. See what we got here. Okay. Of course, we have
this is already out of the bag?
Well, it happens sometimes, But we do have the project. Go ahead, hold this and hold it up for everybody. So you got the product registration. So you can, of course, make sure you fill that out and always send that in for that warranty, guys. We have the actual manual. So this is, of course, it's got for the 600 all the way up to 2001. Of course, you got your standard diagram. Of course, this is the 2000. So we see what we got going on for actual. Here we go. That's what I was looking for. So sorry about that, guys. Looks like. Let's draw this in here a little bit. All right, APMN. I keep wanting to say APMI. APMN 2000. Less than 1% distortion rate. Looking like 770 at 4 ohms, 1300 at 2, and 1944 at 1. I'm not sure. I have not got to see these amps actually on the dyno yet. It is 1 ohm stable. We're actually going to be running this in the Ringo at 2 ohms on 415, so we're going to see what we can do with that. But of course, you guys said you got the manual. Go ahead and, what's got over here, Brax? What's this over here? We got your standard audio pipe bass knob.
Yep.
Looks like they changed it up a little bit. Nope, it's about the same. It's just not silver anymore. So typical bass knob. And what's this down here? What is that? Is that?
Wait, what is that?
What is that?
Let's open it up and see what it is.
That's not the fuse, is it? Okay, well,
Fuse.
Now, I mean, all due respect, we're both hardcore audio pipe fans, and we run audio pipe equipment in both of our vehicles. Of course, like I said, he's an audio pipe kid, but this is yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here, guys. This is the fuse link that came with it. Now it's hard to see, but it is a 150 amp fuse, but
There's nothing else.
yeah, I mean, we're talking, I mean, look at the difference in my thumb there. I mean, we're looking at maybe, if you're lucky, you can fit a 4 gauge in there.
Yeah.
Not even a true 4 gauge would fit in there. I would guess 8 gauge. These amps are 1-aught inputs, so I'm not sure why they would do this. I think I've got the original. Hang on one second, guys. I got the original
One right there.
audio pipe fuse that I got on the APCL 1500 I was running, and look at the difference here. I mean, this is
Different colored.
this is a 100 amp.
The color doesn't matter.
Well, yeah, it don't matter. Color doesn't matter. It just tells you what amp they are. This is actually kind of shocking, audio pipe. I mean, why we'd send such a powerful amp with such a small fuse link? So I'm not. We may end up using this on a high amp or something.
But we're going to use this one.
We're going to use this one. We're using this with the 1500 that was in there, so we'll just put a 150 amp A&L fuse in there and use that, because that's actually kind of disappointing, guys. I mean, $190 something shipped to the house for this amp, and
Should we open it?
we get a little small amp. So enough of that. Oh yeah, let's get this bad boy out.
Well, guys, I gotta go pick up the stuff that fell behind me.
Yeah, we dropped some stuff getting it out, but here y'all go. We got it out of the box. Like I said, it's about the same length as a 2000. But oh, you got your head, didn't you? That happens. But you know, we do have the 1-aught inputs, like they were known for.
My head for a little bit.
1 ohm stable. Of course, on this side here, we've got your gain. It's pretty standard setup in most audio pipe amps. Almost looks identical. It's really thin. If you look at it compared to my hand, I mean, we're looking maybe like a hand width. I mean, it's actually, the profile is really thin. It's a little bit thicker maybe, but this is what I'm really noticing the difference of. I don't remember the APMI series having this, and we can double check because I got the 600 right over here on his car. And no, well, they did have the heat sink, but as this is the APMI 600 on Braxton's Power Wheel, Madison's a little dirty, guys. But you can notice that there's a major difference on the sides. This is a little more flat on the top, and the actual heatsink actually sticks out here. So that's actually pretty cool.
And over here, flat, super flat.
And yeah, this is still flat, but it's got more of a rounded corner where this is more cut off. So that's actually a cool little design. I'm not sure if it's going to help the heat or anything per se, but yeah. So here it is, guys. APMN-2000.1 from Audio Pipe. Braxton, you know what's going to happen now, don't you?
Yep, we're going to test it out.
We're going to get this thing hooked up and test this bad boy out, ain't we? Yep. So we're going to stick this bad boy on a set of 4 TSPP 3 15s. Run at 2 ohm. When we'll watch the end of this video, and you'll get to see what actions.
So guys, that was the APMN-2000. And I hope you liked the video. and keep the knobs turned to the right.